I chose the master's program as a way to get a formal education in statistics, research design.
I really wanted to be at a university that had world-class expertise in multiple disciplines.
I chose the master's program because I wanted to become a research scientist, and it offered a great venue in order to be able to achieve those goals.
It's a great opportunity not only to learn skills that you can use as a researcher in the traditional sense in terms of statistical training, methods training, but also in terms of leadership training, in terms of forging connections with people both in fields similar to yours and in fields very different from yours.
Having so many unique disciplines really helps you to think about ways of approaching issues in different manners.
I don't think there's many programs involving clinicians that have that variety. Everyone looking at questions that bridged across disciplines and had a bigger impact on the health community. I thought that was really enriching and interesting. The methods training was handled amazingly well. I feel much more enabled to take on responsibility and guide my own fate as far as my research goes.
There's a focus in the master's in teaching us to really thoughtfully think about what our goals are in terms of our impact. And so not just doing research for the sake of doing research or just doing research to publish papers, but doing research that will have some use, either in terms of shaping policy or in shaping the way that care is delivered.
The leadership, I think, is phenomenal. Many of us come into this field not knowing how to speak to the general public. We can speak to patients and we can speak to patients' families, but conveying your message and selling it is something that most of us in healthcare don't come naturally.
There is a distinct advantage being at the interface between a world-class hospital and healthcare organization, but also being surrounded by a world-class university.
There are many people here that are nationally and internationally renowned, but if you were to knock on the door, they'd be happy to welcome you. And that's an experience that you don't find everywhere. The open door policy, the willingness to engage with people that are just beginning their research careers, I think is a really, really unique thing to Michigan, and one that would be hard to match in other institutions.